a vector has magnitude and direction. This is a vector. A vector is just an arrow. It has a magnitude or length, and then it points to some kind of direction. So it has a direction. Normally we write a vector. Let's say if we are talking of a vector v, we write v and then we put an arrow on top of it. And a vector can be represented in this form, with this in something like a row form or in a column form. In some books you will see this, in some books you are going to see this. Okay, now if you the 2 here is the x components of the vector, and the number under it is the y component of the vector. And a vector, we can look at it on the normal line like this. So 2, we move 1, 2, and then 1, we go 1 up. So the vector v is represented by this arrow here. Now a vector, I said, has magnitude, and normally we represent the magnitude of a vector like this. You can also represent it as this. You can use 2 of this, or just 1 is sufficient. Now we can add 2 vectors together. Imagine we are given the vector v as this and the vector u as this. We can add these 2 vectors by just adding the x components and the y components. For our example, we have v1 is 2, 1, and u is 1, 3. So you add the x components, you get 3, and the y components, you get 4. We can also multiply a vector with a number. So another way of saying that you are multiplying a vector with a number is scaling a vector. So you'll be hearing scaling a vector. So if, for example, we multiply this vector here by 2, the only thing you are doing is you are doubling the length of this vector. So this, you just need to multiply the 2 with the x components and the 2 with the y components. So with this, our example, with our example here, what we are going to have is 4, 2. Now, when you look at this, if we can multiply with also a negative number. So when we multiply it with a negative number, the direction changes. The direction of the vector changes. Now, the number that you use to multiply the vector is normally referred to as the scalar. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.